Riri mathukuru ma secondary guothe bururi-ini mathiete na mbere kugumirwo ni migomo ya arutwo gukoma magicina mathukuru mao na angi makinyitikana na maguta ma kumudia miaki. Riu kamiti ya ugitiri kaunti-ini ya Nairobi unyitaniri-ini na kamiti ya githomo sub kaunti-ini ya Nairobi North ni yambiriirie guthiururuka mathukuru-ini ma secondary ma gukomwo kwaraniria na arutwo na guthikiriria mateta mao. Kuringana na munini wa County Commissioner sub county ya Nairobi North Simon Osumba, arutwo aria aingi maraneirie nao mathukuru-ini maria macerete maratetirie iria maraheo nyota wa kuinuka na guoya wa igeranio.
They want to go home because of the major issue is meals. They've also raised issues about congestion in their dormitories, which we've seen also, and we are trying to decongest those dormitories. They're also talking about issues affecting them and their teachers. Some of them are feeling that we are not communicating well and we are not listening to them. And those are the areas we're actually trying to address, because they're saying there's no way, they don't know how to communicate their problems with their teachers.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro Osumba ugite ni marageria kuiguithia ciana bata wa gukiriria mathukuru-ini handu ha kuinuka ta uria ingi marenda niguo gukinyaniria mihango ya mathomo. Ona kuri uguo ni ugite kuria kuri na hahu makiria ni mekwaranira na minister wa githomo niguo ciana ciitikirio kuinuka handu ha kumahingiriria mathukuru nao macoke magerengero. Mieri iri nyititwo mbaru ni ya memba a kamiti iyo.
Some of the things they don't agree with, when you tell them that they need to grow up, they're asking us, grow up how? You must understand that your children are still growing up. Assist us in growing up. So we're also talking to the teachers and we're telling them that as you communicate with the learners, let's be sensitive on how we are communicating with them. We must appreciate that a good number of the teachers are almost of their age, and that is also bringing a big issue. But we are addressing it, and teachers are also changing very fast, and there's that change of attitude towards the learners. They are now communicating. Even issues concerning their parents are also there. In one of the schools, they told us that when their parents come to school, they should be guided and counseled first before meeting them.
We look case by case where the situation is very bad, and we see that the safety of learner is not cannot be assured. We recommend that the students can be released early and then they resume, just like what our directors are saying. But there is no formal or official communication that all schools are going to be released early or as such, but maybe case by case.
Kugina kuo mwena wa Gatundu ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, borithi ni maikitie ngono arutwo 29 mathukuru-ini matiganite ma gukomwo mwena ucio na guthatia mibango ya gucina mathukuru. Florence Sitawa, munini wa County Commissioner Gatundu ya muhuro, nibyo heanite uhoro uyu.
Ndio tunaingia huruma na hurumia watoto wetu wa miaka 15 wakiwa hapa kwa cell. Juzi tulikuwa na watoto 29 na ni wasichana, si hata ni wavulana, watoto wetu wasichana. Imagine tumekaa na hao zaidi ya siku 3 hapo kwa cell. Ni haki kweli? Kina mama mpo? Tusiachilie watoto wetu.
Okaida-ini okau akiaria hindi uheani wa ceki cia basari ya makiria ma ciringi milioni 64 kiaro-ini gia Gatundu ya muhuro. Mubunge Gigi Kagombe ni ugite riri ti ihinda ria kuorotana, indi ni ugwati uria ngetheire mathukuru hitanwo naguo ni andu othe manyitanire.
Ingienda atiriri na ndahoya ndi muciari ta inyui, wona mainuka cukuru ri tukagia kahinda ga kwaria na ciana citu, tumenya tumathina turia turamagia nigetha tuhote kuma-addressera niguo.
Mwana ucio gika gikota kiu ndareciria that far, arono ha hakuhi no wega tukera ciana citu ati we ugigakorwo na gikota kiu riria ukauma moko-ini makwa nie ndi maitu guo uthi moko-ini ma thirikari ndigakorwo na control yuria gugathie kwi mundu uyu gotirigatu atia he mundu uyu tiga mawakiri matinde makiaria hau maria githunguri mundu uri gatua itua ni judge
araraga mwana na matanya agatuika kindu kiega na gutire mwana wari thukuru iyo muciari etereire ati mwana wake ni gukore wa mbere agithie gucina cukuru kana tiguo iciaraga wega nginya mwene ekite atia koguo aciari aitu riria ciana cioka waigua mwana ararega horo wa thukuru muthikiririe menya ararega thukuru niki na tutikae kuorota aciari tutikae kuorota arimu ithuothe tuwe jukumu mwarimu anyite itemi riake muciari anyite na mwana anyite.
Maya mokite muthenya umwe tu thutha wa thukuru wa anake wa Alliance na mathukuru mangi kiheri kuhingwo muthenya wa ira thutha wa arutwo kunyitikana makibanga gucina mathukuru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.